Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
I ran a tutorial-based affiliate marketing strategy that made me $40,000 in 30 days. I took a strategic, multifaceted approach. Firstly, choose a focused niche, such as photography, and cover a variety of products within it. Create tutorials that not only demonstrate the products but also solve common problems and showcase advanced techniques. Include comparative content, like side-by-side comparisons and pros and cons analyses, to aid viewer decision-making and build trust. SEO optimization is the key to success. I used vidIQ to find the best keywords. vidIQ is the best YouTube SEO tool. The video SEO optimization tool helps a lot in title, tag, and description enhancements, and for me meant the difference between making videos that got a few hundred views to making videos that got over 1 million views. Click my vidIQ affiliate link in the description below. Then I used Canva to create engaging thumbnails and titles and maintain a consistent upload schedule to improve visibility. Place affiliate links strategically in your video, its description, and a pinned comment to facilitate easy access for viewers. Engage actively with your audience through comments and interactive features, and use their feedback for future content ideas. Extend your reach by sharing your content on social media, embedding videos in blog posts, and sending out email newsletters. Regularly analyze viewership data to understand audience preferences and tweak your strategy accordingly. This comprehensive approach focuses on delivering valuable content, fostering viewer trust, and effectively guiding them towards purchases, thereby maximizing your affiliate marketing earnings. Here's how I did it. Day 1. Niche selection and affiliate program enrollment. 1. Morning. 2 hours. After careful consideration, I chose high-tech gadgets as my niche, recognizing its growing market demand and aligning it with my personal interest. 2. Afternoon. 1 hour. I applied to Amazon and Best Buy's affiliate programs, selecting them for their extensive tech product range and reliability. 3. Evening. 1 hour. Successfully received approval from both affiliate programs, marking a promising start to my venture. Day 2. Product selection and market research. Morning session. Product selection. 2 hours. Identifying products. I chose 3 high-tech products: an advanced gaming laptop, a cutting-edge smart home device, and a set of professional headphones. Each product was selected for its appeal in the tech market and potential interest among my audience. 1. Consideration of problems to solve. For each product, I thought about common issues or challenges that potential users might face. 1. For instance, with the gaming laptop, I considered aspects like performance optimization for high-end gaming or cooling solutions. 2. Planning advanced techniques showcase. I also plan to demonstrate advanced usage techniques that could appeal to tech-savvy viewers, like customizing settings on the smart home device for optimal efficiency. Feature analysis. I delved deep into the specifications and features of each product, understanding what sets them apart in the market. This included looking into the latest technology used in the headphones and the unique selling points of the gaming laptop. 1. Consumer reviews and feedback. I spent time reading consumer reviews and feedback across various platforms. 1. This helped me gauge user satisfaction and common praises or complaints about the products. 2. Comparative analysis planning. I identified potential competitors for each product to prepare for comparative content in my tutorials. 2. This included looking at similar spec gaming laptops, smart home devices, and headphones from other brands. 3. Pros and cons preparation. Based on the research, I noted down the pros and cons of each product to present a balanced view in my tutorials. 3. This approach aimed to build trust with my audience by providing transparent and comprehensive information. Day 3. Scripting the first tutorial. Morning. 3 hours. I wrote a comprehensive script for the gaming laptop. 1. The script was carefully crafted to highlight its standout features and user benefits in an engaging way. Day 4. Filming the gaming laptop tutorial. Morning. 4 hours, dedicated this time to filming the gaming laptop tutorial. 1. I focused on delivering clear, informative content with a touch of personal flair to keep the viewers engaged. Day 4. Morning. 3 hours, edited the tutorial, ensuring the video was both informative and visually appealing. 2. Afternoon. 1 hour, uploaded the video on YouTube, optimizing it for search engines with a catchy title, a descriptive summary, and relevant tags. Day 6-7. Crafting and producing additional tutorials. Each day, 6 hours, these 2 days were fully invested in scripting, filming, and editing the tutorials for the smart home device and professional headphones. Day 8. Launching the remaining tutorials. 1. Morning. 2 hours, uploaded the second and third tutorials, applying the same level of SEO diligence as the first. Day 9-15. Promoting across platforms and audience engagement. 1. Daily. 3 hours. These days were focused on promoting the videos across various social media channels. 1. I actively engaged with my YouTube audience, responding to comments and fostering a community around the channel. Day 16-30. Performance review and strategy adjustment. 1. Daily. 2 hours, regularly analyzed viewer engagement and feedback. 1. Used these insights to refine my content strategy and continued promoting my existing tutorials. My results were great. For the professional headphones tutorial, I achieved a total of 100,000 views, with a click-through rate, center, of 7%, translating to 7,000 clicks. With an optimized conversion rate of 4% higher than the average due to the targeted and engaging nature of my content, I secured 280 sales. With each sale of the headphones priced at $300 and a commission rate of 5%, the earnings from this tutorial alone amounted to $4,200. In the case of the smart home device tutorial, the video reached 150,000 views. The center stood at 5%, leading to 7,500 clicks. Here, the conversion rate was also boosted to 4%, resulting in 300 sales. Given the device's price of $500 and a 5% commission rate, this tutorial generated an impressive $7,500 in earnings. The most successful of my tutorials was on the gaming laptop, which garnered 120,000 views. The 6% center resulted in 7,200 clicks. With a conversion rate of 4%, a total of 288 sales were made. Considering the laptop's price point of $2,000 and my commission rate of 5%, the earnings from this tutorial alone reached a significant $28,800. Cumulatively, across the 3 tutorials, my affiliate marketing strategy yielded substantial earnings. The professional headphones brought in $4,200, the smart home device contributed $7,500, and the gaming laptop generated $28,800. Therefore, spending 84 hours over the course of 30 days, the grand total of my earnings from this focused affiliate marketing campaign was $40,500. This 30-day journey in affiliate marketing demonstrates the potential of well-researched and effectively marketed content. From selecting the right products and affiliate programs to engaging video production and strategic promotion, every step played a crucial role in adding this success. This achievement underscores the effectiveness of creating targeted, informative, and engaging tutorial content in driving high conversion rates and significant earnings in affiliate marketing. For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.